Welcome back to Dine Company. My name is Micah. We're here in the showroom today to bring you part 2 on the 2-part series on improving the dining experience. In part 1, we talked about meeting and exceeding your guests' expectations, especially when it comes to the tabletop and silverware. In this part, we want to talk about applying that same principle to chafing dishes. In our scenario, we're talking about upscale casual fine dining establishments. Now, if you're an owner or operator of one of these types of establishments and you are putting on, say, a $25 brunch, for example, what type of expectation does your guest have coming into your establishment? And how can we improve the dining experience in this situation? One of the best ways we can do this is to give thought to what type of serving pieces we're using to serve our menu. And that's where Walco stainless products come in with their idle chafing dishes. Walco idle chafing dishes are some of the most innovative chafing dishes on the market, and I'd like to show you some of the features. First of all, you'll notice that it features highly polished 1810 stainless steel. The lid features a window so that you can see what is in the chafing dish while the chafing dish is still closed, and it's also vented to release excess moisture in the chafing dish. They feature a spoon rest, so you finally have a place to put the spoon rather than leaving the spoon in the dish or having to use a 5-inch salad plate. The lid, once it's pushed past 60 degrees, will stay in place. And you'll also notice that it has drip channels, which will channel moisture away from the top of the lid and away from the food and down into these marine edges, and the moisture will go back into the water pan. With a gentle nudge, the lid will close itself slowly and gently. The lid is also removable for double-sided service if need be. The chafing dish also features a pan lift feature, which allows easy changing of pans. Perhaps one of the best features of the idle chafers is that they are induction ready. The water pan features induction-ready stainless steel, and the core is actually aluminum for better heat conductivity. To demonstrate, I would like to introduce Walco's portable induction unit. This induction unit is an induction coil that will turn any chafer into an induction chafer. Now you'll notice that it has these magnets, and these are very high-powered magnets, that when I take the chafing dish and set it on the base, it locks right in. Once we're ready to operate the chafing unit, we can use this controller to turn it on and set the wattage desired, depending on how much heat is required. And we can also select how long we want the unit to run. Once we select that time, we can pull the controller, walk away, and move on to the next unit. Now I want to share with you a few more features of the portable induction unit. As I previously mentioned, this induction unit can turn any chafer into an induction chafer. That's because this induction unit features patented induction coil technology that is very sensitive and can pick up on even the faintest signature of ferrous metal. This induction unit also features very low amp draw. It's very energy efficient. You can actually run up to 10 units on one 20 amp circuit. For more information on how induction technology works, you can refer back to our blog series on induction cookware. So remember, with Walco stainless products, you can be sure that you're bringing quality to the table every time. For more information on Walco products, you can visit our store at 3110 Preston Highway in Louisville, Kentucky, or you can call us and ask to speak to a customer care associate.